Welcome back, guys. Crypto Flight channel. Today we want to talk about ETHENA targets updates with my customer set. Let's dive in, guys. If we imagine, so this all moves, it's just a range. So we form deviation at the bottom. The next logical step, it should be the deviation at the top, because here, if it's a range, so we form the deviation, one deviation, and another deviation should be over than $1.52. At least if we talk about this like a range, we should test firstly the 85 cents, 86 cents equilibrium. We will see. And yes, I believe the ENA will hit the new all-time high. Just the question when. And the problem is if we will see the the August or September red one. So definitely we can drop, I don't know. So take a look. This is just a local bounce. If we talk about a local bounce, I hope we're not gonna sweep the new low and not form the new historical low, but at least we can drop to 37, 33. So it can be the logical drop even after, for example, we get a still 9 days or 10 days this month. This is a possible scenario. And yes, looks like not a big deal, but to recover back, if you will hop in at 57, it will be like 55% to recover back. That's why, guys, accumulate ENA at 50 cents or not, up to you. Potential, I guess, we have to pump over than 86. It's like a test of equilibrium at the next step. It's new all-time high. So it looks like a range. If we talk about a global targets, yes, definitely, guys, this looks like we start forming a global double bottom, and the size of this double bottom, just approximately, should be, I don't know, around like this one, $2.84. Possible scenarios, guys. So build a realistic price targets, for all of these tokens. Also 65 cents, it can be the test of and the close at the monthly gap. So that's why, by logic, guys, if in June or in August we gonna close, would be good to close this in June. 65 cents, 64, this one, full fill of monthly gap. Then some red months, a little bit to pull back down in August, and next 3 months up, September, October, November, to new all-time high. It's logical potential scenarios. So I hope it will happen. Let's double check, guys, what's going on now with my customer set. Technically, here is an accumulation. This is still accumulation with even the variances. So the main accumulation starts here at 38 cents and we dump it to 22. So yes, we formed the variance. Now we're just a little bit over the middle line. So basically it's not a like crazy distribution. The most horrible scenario, guys, if we will see some black swan, it's form the new low, like this one, the variance. I don't think so it will happen. I don't think so. So this is my take. And of course, time to out of ENA will be at this top. And I wish to see the variance on the chart on the weekly and something like this one. 50 cents, of course, is kind of not the low, because this was a more comfortable, price. But at least, I always showed you this example. If we use here the downtrend, at least, yes, 77, 63, the bounce, for this order flow and close the 50% of this correction. It's 77, 86. It's with a weak candle, it's possible. So now here was a capitulation, June. Now it's a hope. On direction was no signal to buy. Now we're trying to break the middle line and going to straight forward to the top. Let's add alert direction, some bearish signals, and we're gonna track it. I highly recommend you guys, by the way, track by yourself. What I don't like, this is what I talk about, the correction here. We trade way over, too overhyped. We've never been too overhyped like now. Never. Even here, even at the top at $1.33, we've never been so overhyped like we now. That's why it's logical to see the correction pull back at least in August. Also, it's a freer. Of course, globally, guys, I wish to see that scenario. So a drop in August, consolidation, hold the line in range like between 30 cents and 55, for example, and after that continue rally higher. Money power, guys, what I don't like here, money inflow was at 22. Now the whales fix the profit. 1, 2, 3, 4 days in a row, the whales fix the profit. It's kind of weird. Here was a money outflow. RSI bullish, they weren't see RSI bullish, they weren't see pump with the top without a money outflow. Let's add alert to the money outflow on the weekly. We will see how it goes. Trade on, buy, sell, drop, buy back. No signal to buy or so. Daily also was no signal to buy. Here's a sell. Still no take profit from this sell. It's kind of weird. That's why I'm more about the correction to 35. I hope we'll not see the new low, but I think we will see the correction to 35. Daily on take profit, guys. We we over the exit line, so it's time to fix a profit. Here was a perfect test of the buy line bounce. If you trade with my customer cassette, congrats, you now can fix, and you bought at the end of June, and now you can fix or withdraw initial deposit 136. So would it be good to see, guys, correction? Would be good to see the correction 12 time frame. Also here finally the lines go higher, and I wish to see that move most positive, right? It's the next 10 days, like this move even, and after that drop to 33, and after that build a new structure to the upside move. So guys, so this is my take for ENA. Like conclusion, I don't believe in new all-time low. One take. I believe in new all-time high. The target at least around $2.50, but it can be extended in time, and we need to trade a more time. I think it can happen around autumn 2025. If you would like to trade with my customer cassette, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.